The United States Navy is entering a new era. This era is defined by unmanned aircraft. One of the most important is the MQ-25 Stingray. The Stingray is a drone designed for aerial refueling. This is a critical mission extending the range of fighter jets. The MQ-25 is a game changer. It will revolutionize naval aviation. It allows for longer carrier strike missions. The Stingray is a force multiplier, ensuring the Navy's dominance in the skies. It is a symbol of the future of warfare. The MQ-25 is a marvel of engineering. It has a sleek, stealthy design and is powered by a Rolls-Royce engine. This allows it to carry a significant amount of fuel for other aircraft. The Stingray is also equipped with advanced sensors and communication systems. The MQ-25 is a testament to American innovation, a product of years of research and development. It underscores the Navy's commitment to modernization. The Stingray is not just a drone. It is a strategic asset that will shape the future of naval warfare. The MQ-25 has a fascinating history. It started as the Unmanned Carrier-Launched Airborne Surveillance and Strike program. The goal was to develop a stealthy unmanned combat aircraft that would operate from aircraft carriers. However, the Navy's priorities shifted. The focus moved to aerial refueling, leading to the Carrier-Based Aerial Refueling System program. This program eventually became the MQ-25 Stingray. The shift from U-class to C-bars was significant. It reflected the Navy's changing needs. The need for a carrier-based tanker was urgent, as the Navy's existing fleet was aging. The MQ-25 emerged as the solution, providing the Navy with a much-needed capability. It would extend the range of carrier air wings, which would be crucial in future conflicts. The MQ-25 Stingray is a technological marvel. It incorporates cutting-edge design features. One of the most notable features is its stealth capabilities. The Stingray's sleek, blended wing body reduces its radar cross-section, making it difficult for enemy radar to detect. The MQ-25 is also designed to minimize its infrared signature, further enhancing its stealthiness. The Stingray's stealth capabilities are crucial, allowing it to operate in contested airspace. The MQ-25 is powered by a single Rolls-Royce AE 3007N engine, known for its reliability and fuel efficiency. The Stingray can carry over 16,000 pounds of fuel, enough to refuel multiple aircraft. The MQ-25 is also equipped with advanced avionics and communication systems, allowing it to operate autonomously and communicate with other aircraft. The MQ-25 Stingray has already achieved significant milestones. In 2019, the Stingray completed its first flight, a major step forward for the program. It demonstrated the aircraft's basic flight capability. Since then, the MQ-25 has undergone rigorous testing, including aerial refueling trials. In 2021, the Stingray successfully refueled an FA-18 Super Hornet. This was a historic achievement, marking the first time a drone had refueled a manned aircraft in flight. The MQ-25 is expected to achieve initial operational capability in the mid-2020s. It will be deployed on United States Navy aircraft carriers around the world. The Stingray will play a vital role in future naval operations, extending the reach and lethality of carrier air wings. The MQ-25 is more than just a drone. It is a symbol of the changing nature of warfare. It represents the growing importance of unmanned systems. The Stingray is a testament to the United States Navy's commitment to innovation. It will ensure that the Navy remains the world's most powerful maritime force.